Good afternoon, second grade. Today is lesson 56 for phonics. We are going to talk about some silent letters today, but first we are going to start by reviewing some spelling sounds. So make sure that you have your spelling and high frequency word practice page 56. Remember to echo the sound and then name the letters that make the sound. Number 1, R. R. Combination AR says R. Number 2, U. U. U, consonant E, comma, U. U. Number 3, D. 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 Final, D, comma, E, D. D. Number 4, V. V. V, final, V-E. V. Remember, no English words end in the letter V. Number 5, F, final, F, F. Remember the floss rule for the final FF. Number 6, ch. Ch. Digraph CH says ch. Number 7, or. Or. Combination OR says or. Number 8, ooh. Ooh. Vowel digraph OO says ooh. And number 9, Z. Z. Z, comma, S. Z. Now let's practice spelling some words. On number 10, spell the word buff. Buff. Buff is spelled B-U-F-F. Number 11, spell the word cape. Cape. C-A-P-E. Cape. And number 12, spell the word brook. Brook. B-R-O-O-K. Brook. Now let's practice some sight words. On number 13, spell the word any. Any. A-N-Y. Any. Number 14 is many. Many. M-A-N-Y. Many. And number 15 is buy, like something that you do at the store. When you pay money for something, you buy something. That buy is spelled B-U-Y. And for number 16, we are going to write a sentence. Listen to the sentence. When can I go into the room? When can I go into the room? What type of sentence is that? Right, it is a question, so we'll need a question mark. When, make sure you have a capital W, can I go into The room. Question mark. When can I go into the room? When you're finished, you can set that worksheet aside. And we are going to echo some words, and I want you to listen for the sound that they all have in common. Gnat, Nash, gnome. What sound do you hear in all of these words? Gnat, Nash, gnome. Now look at these words on my board. Gnat, Nash, gnome. What letters are making the N sound? We know that N will be part of it, but what other letter goes with N to make the N sound? Okay, G and N, very good. Now echo these words and listen for the sound that they have in common. Knife, knee, knock. What sound do you hear in knife, knee, and knock? Very good. Look at these words. What letters are making the N sound in knife, knee, and knock? K and N, very good. Now echo these words and listen for the sound that they all have in common. Wrist, wrap, wren. What sound do you hear that's the same in wrist, wrap, and wren? Very good. Look at these words in the third column. Wrist, wrap, wren. What letters are making the sound? W, R. Very good. So what do all of these words have in common? They all have a silent letter. Each of these words has a silent letter. Okay, we do not pronounce it. So the letters that are silent are G, K, and W. In the older English days, these letters were pronounced, but slowly the sounds of G, K, and W were dropped. So now we call them ghost letters. Ghost letters. So we actually call these digraphs, but they are somewhat unusual because they have ghost letters. So we are going to call them ghost letter digraphs. Okay? Ghost letter digraphs. So let's go through and code each of these words. So we have digraph GN to underline. Now, which letter is making the sound? Remember, this word is gnat. The N is making the sound, so we will cross out the ghost letter. Okay, the A is short, it needs a brevy. Gnat. Okay, we'll move down. We have Nash. Digraph GN, cross out the ghost G. The A is short, it needs a brevy, and SH is also a digraph to underline. Nash, you don't pronounce the G. And finally, we have this digraph, GN. Again, the G is silent. And the vowel pattern is O consonant E this time. Don't pronounce the G. This word is gnome. Gnome. Moving on to the second column, we have ghost letter digraph, KN. Cross out the K. It is not making a sound. We have I consonant E. Put a macron above the I. Cross out the silent E. This word is knife. Knife. The next one has two digraphs. digraph KN, again the K is silent, and digraph EE. The first E is making the sound, the second E is silent. Knee, knee. And lastly, ghost letter digraph KN, cross out the K. The O is short, it needs a brevy, and CK digraph, cross out the C. This word is knock. Looking at our final column, we start with ghost letter digraph, WR. The W is the ghost letter, cross it out. The I needs a brevy, it is short. Wrist. Underline ghost letter digraph, WR, cross out the W. Brevy above this A. This word is wrap. And again, ghost letter digraph, WR, brevy above the E. Wren. Wren. Very good. So let's look at our picture cards for today. Let's see if you can guess what is on the picture cards based off of some clues. Okay, so for ghost letter digraph, KN, there is something that can be used to tie or hold down another object. It sort of looks like a pretzel. You might do this to your shoe strings. Knot. Our picture card is knot. When you see this card, say knot. Remember, the K is a ghost letter. We don't say it. Knot. Okay. For our ghost letter digraph, GN, listen to this riddle and see if you can tell me what is on the picture card. These are very small bugs. They fly around your face and may drive you crazy. They are a type of fly. What do you think they are? Gnats. When you see this picture card, say gnat. N. The ghost letter is G. We do not pronounce it. Gnat. N. And lastly, we have one more keyword for today, and this is for ghost letter digraph, WR. So this is something that people decorate at Christmas time. These are made of different materials, but are often made with the tips or ends of branches of Christmas trees. They are round and can be hung on a door. Do you know what it is? Wreath. When you see this card, say wreath. Wreath. Okay. Now let's go back to our practice sheet. We are going to practice writing words with ghost letter digraphs. Underneath the new sounds and words box, for number 1, spell the word write. Like I will write neatly with my pencil. The ghost letter digraph is WR. So we spell this word WRITE. Write. Number 2, knee. Knee. This has ghost letter digraph KN. Knee is spelled KNEE. And number 3, we'll spell the word gnat. This has ghost letter digraph GN. Gnat is spelled GNAT. Now, as always, practice reading and spelling your high frequency words and choose 2 today to write sentences. Only 2 today, even though there are 3 lines. Let's practice some coding with ghost letter digraphs on our worksheet. Number 1 has ghost letter digraph, WR. Underline the digraph, cross out the W. The O needs a brevy, it is short. And underline digraph NG. Can you read number 1? Wrong. Wrong. Number 2 has ghost letter digraph, GN. The G is the ghost letter, cross it out. The U is at the end of the word, so it is going to make a long vowel sound. This word is new. New, which is describing this animal. New. Number 3 has ghost letter digraph, KN. Underline it and cross out the K because it is the ghost letter. We also have digraph EA. And remember, the E is making the sound. The A is silent. So a macron above the E. This word is need. Need. This is something that you would do with dough before you make bread or maybe cookies. Number 4 has 2 digraphs, digraph SH and digraph CK. We can cross out the C, it is silent. The A will be short in this word, so it needs a brevy. Can you read number 4? Shack. Shack. That will match with that picture. Number 5 has a digraph, digraph EA, underline. The E gets a macron, the A gets crossed out. Number 5 says head, head, which is what the arrow is pointing to. And on number 6, we have final stable syllable, DLE, bracket, cross out the final E, accent mark. There is a consonant after the vowel in the first syllable, so we will put a brevy. And this word is handle. Handle. Now let's read the sentences at the bottom and answer the questions. I had to take a test last week. It was a hard test. I had to do a lot of thinking on number 5 and 6. When I got my test back, number 6 was wrong, but number 5 was correct. Which problem was wrong? Which problem was wrong? Number 6, very good. Number 6 was wrong. Number 8, what does the word correct mean? Does correct mean think, not wrong, or hard? Correct means not wrong. Very good. And number 9, I took a hard test. Yes or no? Yes, it said it was a hard test. Very good. Now, if you'll join me on the homework side, I will tell you how many codes are in each number. Number 1 has 5 codes. Number 2 has 3. Number 3 has 4. Number 4 has 3. Number 5 has 1. And number 6 has 6. So your numbers are 5, 3, 4, 3, 1, 6. Great job today, second grade.